viewers and subscribers. You know, some days you wake up and you feel like things are not going your way. You feel like no matter how you try, things now work out, and you feel like throwing the towel. Because 4 years ago, I felt that way. But I had 1 and 2 people in my corner who keep motivated me, telling me, no, don't throw in the towel, you can do it. Meanwhile, there were others that telling me, why don't I go home? They don't see where I'm gonna make it, or giving me a time span when they think I'll make it. And a lot of times I felt